Spaces in Zoho Creator. Spaces help you group related components under a single category, making your application more organized and easier to navigate. Let's see how to do this. Go to the editor, navigate to the App Menu Builder, and click Add New Space. Spaces are mainly used to categorize related forms, reports, and dashboards in one place. This is especially useful when organizing your application by class, by department, by year, by purchase and sales, or any other grouping. You can create up to 3 spaces in an application. Here we have a default space called Orders. We'll rename the previously created space as Purchases. Let's go ahead and create one more, naming it Sales. Then, we'll drag the relevant components from the default space into each one. Next, in the icon settings, you will find options for spaces, menu, and submenu. You can show or hide icons just by checking or unchecking the respective boxes. Note that this setting is available in selected themes. You can also switch icon styles quickly from here. Also, individual icons can be changed just by clicking on them. By hovering over any space, you can see options to rename or delete it. On the left pane, you will see 2 sections: Components and Elements. Components include all user and system components. User components are your forms, reports, and dashboards, while system components include language configuration, connection, and more. Since we've already used all the components, this section is empty. From the Elements section, you can add a title, break, or a line directly to your space to keep it even more organized. Structuring the application in this manner enhances clarity and improves the user experience. Now, let's see how this looks in the live application. Awesome! Each space now has the relevant modules, making navigation a lot more easier. That's everything about Spaces. Try it today and keep your application organized. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.